Everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey engine. It's for our customer's 1967 Ford Mustang. I'll go over some of the highlights of our engine build here. We started with a brand new Dart Block 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft. We have the Edelbrock Victor Jr. aluminum cylinder heads, American made. These real nice Taylor ignition wires, the blue wires with the wire markers on there. Customer's running a independent suspension in the front, so we put the rear sump Canton Racing oil pan dipstick tubes installed. We have the Edelbrock Victor Jr. intake manifold with the Holley Sniper fuel injection system, MSD ignition coil. Every engine will be live run. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. This has the Holley Sniper fuel injection. We'll actually dial it in, set all the settings on there for the customer, so you'll know it's absolutely perfect when you see the video of the engine running. We'll show you all the oil pressure, coolant temperature, manifold vacuum. Everything will be all plug and play, ready to go. A couple other things on here. We have the oil pressure extension installed for him. He's running a TKO 600 transmission, so he put the proper QuickTime bell housing on there, the proper alignment ring for the TKO 600, transmission bolts, the clutch is installed, all aligned and all set. We will supply the throwout bearing and clutch fork, high torque mini starters installed on there. Customer's running AC, power steering and alternator, so we put the chrome polished Raptor serpentine pulley kit on there. You got the self-tensioning belt tensioner on there, 8-rib serpentine belt, heavy duty belt, AC compressors on there, proper thermostat housing, the 45-degree water neck with the thermostat in there installed. We have the driver's side lower radiator hose, high flow water pump, standard rotation, 160 amp chrome alternator, 1-wire hookup. We have the power steering pump on there with the reservoir attached, real easy hookup. Power steering line goes right there, return there. Gas filters on there for the Holley Sniper EFI, Russell heavy duty fuel lines. So there you have it. Absolutely beautiful 427 Ford for our customer's 1967 Mustang, custom built. When you're looking to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.